Alright, so I'm gonna do iPhone 6. Let's see, what is this? I think this is the volume switch here. Volume switch, mute button, DIY, jacked it up. So first thing I'm gonna do is, because I've done a few of these before, like something similar to this, is I'm gonna go to the other side of the board here and remove this black stuff. Because what happens is that once you start heating that side up, this side, anytime you see this black stuff, man, it will drive you crazy because things will start popping up, and you'll get some cold joint somewhere, and something else won't work, and then uh, cause some issues. That's a glass diode. Be careful with that. So I'm at 159 degrees Celsius here, and airflow, very low airflow of 5. And I'm just gonna get this black stuff off here, and this seems to help it not break free. This is the compass chip here. Yeah, just be careful again. Be careful with it. Glass diode, another glass diode. This few minutes here doing this will save you hours later. No, maybe not hours, but it'll definitely save you some time later. Not having to worry about it. But just don't break anything. Alright. Yeah, I think that's sufficient. Okay. Man, was there something there that I just took off? I think I did. Now that's a biatch, isn't it? Did I just do that? Did I really just do that? Or is there really nothing there? Uh, by golly, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1, 2, 3. All right. Well, that sucks. Well, I just wasted some time there. So let's tin this mother. We're gonna put this back before we do anything now. It's definitely 01005. All right, let's use our tweezers. So make things simpler. So this simple, stupid thing turned into this. Which I had to do it anyways. That's good. I think. Alright, so now let's get to the actual connector now. We'll just do this. Right, let's take the old one off first. Oh, gosh, I don't even know what happened to it. Oh, what's up? This looks good. Looks like it's gonna be easy enough. Alright, I'm gonna need to harvest this connector from another board because I don't. So how do we do that? Let's see. Let's get some low melt. Low melt. We'll get our little tip. Let's get a little flux on there. And alright, so that's good. Let's use some low air now, low air, low temperature, and see if we can remove this thing. So I'm at 241. I think that's gonna be probably too low, but we can get it closer, and I think it'll be fine. Just don't want to melt the connector. Alright, that's it. Done. Put my donor board back, and let's go back to here. Here we go. Let's not use low melt. So let's see if we can wick this stuff away. And alright. And I am not actually going to pre-tin it. Yeah, this flux will be fine, I think. Sticky. I should have used new flux. Alright, let's clean this up. Alright, new flux. I'm gonna change my tip to the 1mm. Cause this is pretty tight. Let's see if we can remove this bridge first. My guess is that both of those pins are ground. That's why it's not unbridging. But we will fix it regardless. Yes. Alright. I'm shaking like a mother today. Gosh. What the? Alright, let's see if this thing is shorted. What bullshit. Should probably just use low melt in the hot air. they supposed to be shorted? Maybe they're all ground. Hold on a second. Alright, they're all ground, so that's why it's such a biatch. Because the ground pads are always a pain in the butt. And it doesn't matter if it's bridged or not bridged, since they're all going to ground. So let's just clean this up and I think we're good. Get a new one. Okay. Alright, let's just make sure these two pins are not grounded and then we're good. Alright, we are good to go. Still a little bit of flux under there, but it's going to be kind of hard to get all of it going. Alright, we're good. Alright, that's it. And now, a word from our sponsor. Thanks for watching our video. I just wanted to kind of go over two courses that we have available on udemy.com right now. If you go to microsoldering.com, click on Learn, and then Getting Started, you'll see that we have two courses available. The first one is iPhone logic board repair, the basics, and in this course we go over the basic building blocks of logic board, to the tools and equipment necessary to the basic fault finding and troubleshooting. This course is mainly for people looking to get started into micro soldering. It goes over all the components and basic troubleshooting tips and stuff like that. So you can just go to the website and click on the link and it'll bring you to the Udemy page to buy the course. And the second course goes over, which I wrote part of. It goes over how to troubleshoot problems, and in this course we go over the three most common iPhone repair problems, which is no backlight, touch IC disease, and charging problems. And we go over in detail exactly how to troubleshoot and fix these things. So if interested, please visit the website microsoldering.com and you can get some more information from there. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.